Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Great, so for this amazing avocado hot sauce, I've got half a large avocado in my jar. I'm going to get in some chopped herbs, so it's about 30 grams, which is about an ounce, a bit more than an ounce. And just a kind of normal bunch size, and I chop them just because it makes it easier with the stick blender. If you're doing this in a food processor, you wouldn't necessarily need to chop them first. Then we want 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of water and 1/4 teaspoon, or just a big pinch of salt if you don't want to measure, and then 30 to 45 grams of pickled jalapenos from a jar, which is about 30 grams, about an ounce. More if you want it hotter. And 50 grams of olive oil. So I actually use just regular olive oil, like a light flavored olive oil, not an extra virgin for this, because I find when I blend with the stick blender, the extra virgin can go a bit bitter. So then we're just going to get our stick blender into the jar. Beautiful, and then just have a taste. Season with more, if it might need more salt, probably not. Might need more chili depending on how you're feeling, might need more lime, but it should be amazing. Okay, and then that's our sauce, all good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.